Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to make Slime Activator using ingredients available in Pakistan, and then using that Slime Activator, I'm going to make slime as well. And all of these ingredients are available in Pakistan, and I hope this video is helpful. In the previous videos which I've made, I haven't shown exactly the recipe for Slime Activator, but this video will explain that in detail. So without further ado, let's get straight into the slime making process. So to make the slime activator, you'll need a spoon, and then you'll need boric powder, not boric acid, you'll need boric powder, and it's not expensive at all. It's just literally 25 rupees for like this much amount. And then you'll need detergent powder. You can use any, but I'm using Surf Excel because that was the one available at my house. And then you'll need hot water as well. You can get boric powder from any pharmacy shop. And if you're under 16, you can ask help from an elder because you need like really hot water, and you can see the steam coming out of the water as well. So the amount I have is 1 cup of warm water. So for 1 cup of warm water, you're gonna need a teaspoon of boric powder, and then you're gonna need a teaspoon of detergent powder. So first, I'm gonna mix a teaspoon of boric powder into the hot water. When you mix the boric powder first, you have to make sure that after you've mixed it, there are like no clumps at all in the water, and you have like clear water at the end. And if you have like large globs of boric powder lying in the water, you have to squish them using your spoon, and then you have to mix it, and it's gonna be like clear at the end like this. And after that, you need to add a teaspoon of detergent powder. When you mix detergent powder into the water, it's not going to be clear at all, and you don't have to worry about it. Just mix it for about a couple of minutes, and then you can just let it sit, and your activator would be ready. So as I said before, you can see here that there are particles of the detergent powder which I've added, and they're not mixed in properly, but it's okay. So our main ingredient is ready to make slime, and next you'll need a bowl, a spoon, you'll need white glue or clear glue according to your choice, and then you'll also need hand wash, and you'll need lotion, that is optional, and baby oil is also optional, and food coloring or paint is also optional. It's just going to color your slime. So first of all, I'm adding white glue into the bowl. You can also use clear glue, but I'm using Mobilith German white glue. You can use any other glue that's available, but just make sure that it's a PVA glue. So next, these 3 ingredients are optional. So I'm adding lotion into the slime. This will just make the slime more stretchy and more softer. It's recommended, but it's not necessary. And this is baby oil. Trust me, it's baby oil, it's not water. It will make your slime more shiny and glossy. And then if you want your slime to be colored, then you can add food coloring, acrylic paint, but I'm adding poster paint because I had that. And I'm adding yellow poster paint to color the slime. But if you don't want your slime to be colored, and if you like it white, then you can just leave it like that. And lastly, I'm going to mix all of these ingredients together. And now you have to add your activator into the slime. Do not add a lot of activator at once because then your slime is going to be stiff and it's not going to stretch properly. Just add it little by little and then keep on mixing it and check the consistency, and until you're satisfied you can keep on adding activator. And now I'm adding the second batch of activator. Even before this, you could see lumps forming in the glue. Now I'm going ahead with the third batch of activator, but I'm still going to add just a little bit because I don't want my slime to be overactivated. Now when you see the slime sticking away from the bowl, you want to add a little bit of activator and then go in with your hands, because the spoon does not mix the slime fully, and you can play with it with your hands, and then you'll know that if the slime is activated or not. And as you can see, when I started to play with the slime, it was not sticky at all and was already formed. So yeah, this is the end product and you can now enjoy the ASMR part. I really hope this video was helpful and you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, to see more fun videos like this. Enjoy the ASMR. Bye everyone.